What? Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, Broke and Bougie. So today I'm going to do a little small unboxing and all the things I bought in the stores today. Me, my mom, and my fiance went out shopping today. We went to random stores. We went to Gabe's, we went to Old Navy, we went to Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, just a lot of random stores. Stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. So first unboxing I'm going to do is I bought some nice little treats from Fenty Beauty. This is my first time buying from Fenty Beauty other than the Stunner lip paint in the red. That's what I'm wearing right now. That's my favorite one from Fenty. She has the best red. So let's try to get into this box and see what did I get. That's cute, has Fenty. So let's see. I bought 3 of the Stunner lip paints. Is it called Stunner lip paints? Or is it just matte liquid lipstick? Whatever, it's by Fenty. It's the new collection. I got it in Unveil, Unbutton, and Uncuffed. So let's take this out. I love the formula of her lipsticks, her liquid lipsticks. So this is like a mauve, a little powder pink. The next one looks like it's like a cinnamon nude. A hazelnut or a nutmeg. The last one, this one looks like a peach. Like a peach nude. And if you order right now from FentyBeauty.com, you get a free matte primer. Let's unbox this. It's a nice little size, a nice little travel size, and it came free, and that's what I really wanted. I was gonna get the full size one, but since I never tried it before, I'm glad this came free. Let's see what else is in my box. I also bought the Pro Filter Mini Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the shade Honey. Now, I wasn't sure of my shade, so we'll see how this works. On the website, it says it's free returns, as long as you have the packaging. And it's so cute. And also, this is in the mini size. So it's great for traveling. Well, who's traveling, right? But it's great for touch-ups. And here's the little mini setting powder. And last but not least, I've seen this all over YouTube and I really want to try it. This is my first time ever using a powder foundation. I'm new to the makeup game. I have no idea how to do makeup, but I still try. And if it looks decent enough, I will go outside looking any type of way. Oh well. So this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 345. On the website, it said it's for warm tones with olive undertones, maybe. I wasn't too sure of my color, but I took the little foundation test on the website, and it told me I was 345. So it looks kind of too light for me, but we're still gonna try it. And once again, you can always return it back to the website, free returns. So we're gonna try it out, and that might be a separate video. And here, this is how it looks out the box. And once again, this is the inside. Once again, I think it might be too light for me. I don't know. And once again, that's shade 345. Next, we're gonna go over this painting that I got from, where did I get this from? It had to be Ross or Marshalls. Yes, Ross. Isn't this fly, y'all? Like, I feel like somebody seen me walking in the street and it was like, ooh, I'm gonna paint a picture of this woman, because this lady right here looks just like me. Anyways, and once you guys continue to look at my YouTube page, you will find out that I love everything black and I love everything ethnic. Okay, and this is a queen who looks just like me. And this price was about $14.99. That's a great steal. This is going to be part of my bedroom art. Next, this is what I got from Gabe's. My fiance and I, we got this mug, Nickelodeon mug, with the Rugrats, Hey Arnold, the Wild Thornberries. If you grew up in the 90s, then you know about Nickelodeon and the Rugrats. And also, look what I found in the men's department. A jean jacket, a Nickelodeon jean jacket that has Rugrats in the front. It has this little members only patch right here. And wait for it, look at the back. Is that not fly? Is that not a great find? Chucky, what? From the Rugrats? What? And guess what the price was? $39.99 in a size large in the men's department. Yes, that is broke and bougie. And last but not least, I bought myself a ring light, because as you can see, the lighting in here is not that great. And also when I try to do my makeup, I need a little bit more light. So I bought me a ring light. It comes in, it gives you a small tripod for your phone with the ring light, and also a taller ring light, and also you can put your phone in there too. So you can do outfit of the days, all that, and then have this on your vanity or on your desk to do videos or do your makeup, whatever you want to do. And this was $24.99 on Amazon. You know it. And last, another find. Now, you know we all have to wear masks these days. And masks is getting kind of pretty expensive. So, especially if you get the temporary ones that you have to throw away as soon as you finish, you know, using it. Old Navy has the best mask. Okay, you can wash it, dry it 100 times, and it will still be usable, okay? It will still fit your face, still be fabulous. And they have all designs. So, I got 3 packs. And they are on sale for $5. Okay, so I got the Valentine's Day version. Has the hearts, the pink and red colors. And here's what's in the bag, if you can see that. I got some flowers. It comes in all colors as well. And this is my favorite, the animal print. It comes in cheetah print, snake print. It also has army fatigue in there as well. So run over to Old Navy. They're not sponsoring this video, but still, run over to Old Navy and get you a pack of masks. It comes 5 masks, okay? See you next time.